how to sell t-shirts online with Spreadshirt. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Spreadshirt and how you can create your very own t-shirts using this platform. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to spreadshirt.com, and this is how the website will look like. Now once you're over here, all you have to do is just sign up. Now before you sign up, you have two options in front of you: start designing now and find something you love. So this option right here on the left side, this will help us create our own shirts. So this is the option that we're going to be choosing. Simply click on start designing now. Give it a couple of seconds for the web page to load up. Now over here, this is the tool that is used for designing shirts, but this lets us customize shirts that are already available on it, meaning that we have to buy it. Now what if you want to create shirts for your own, for your own shop? So for that, what you need to do is come over here at the top and click on start selling. Now once you click on start selling, over here you will have two options. You can either sell on the marketplace or you can open your own spread shop. Now remember guys, whichever options you choose, it all depends upon you. But before you do choose, let me just show you some pros and cons over here. So if you scroll down over here, as you can see, these are the two options, and over here we get some benefits for each of these options. So if we sell on the marketplace, we can share designs with up to 100,000 daily visitors. We can have endless earning potential with absolutely no risks, and we can have access to the exclusive designer campaigns as well. However, on the other hand, if we do open our very own t-shirt store, we get the highest commission in the industry, meaning more money. We control our shop's look and feel, and we can choose the product that you want to sell. So depending upon whichever option you choose, you will get these benefits, but I would recommend choosing your own shop as it will help you earn more money. So let's just go ahead and click on open your own spread shop. Now once you have chosen your own option, all you have to do is just simply enter in your shop's name, enter in the email address and then password, then clear the reCAPTCHA and click on get started, and that is basically it. Now once you sign up, you will arrive over here, and this is going to be your dashboard. Now over here, this will be your checklist. Over here, as you can see, we have three options that we need to do. First, we need to create our product. Then we need to set up our own spread shop, and then we need to activate our shop. Once we do that, our shop will be live and we'll be able to sell products and earn money. So as you can see, I've already done these two options because I logged into my older account, but I'm gonna go ahead and create a product for you guys so that you can understand. So to create a product, what you need to do is come over here on the left side, and underneath dashboard you will see this t-shirt icon, which is called designs. Click on it, and over here all you have to do is just simply upload your very own design. So if you already have a design, simply upload it, but if you don't have a design, you can go ahead and create one, or you can go ahead and download from different websites. Now the website that I'm going to be using to download these PNGs or images is called rawpixels.com. Now rawpixels is a pretty amazing website, and as you can see over here, we have a lot of different PNGs of a lot of different categories that we can download them and use it as a design for our shirts. So simply come over to rawpixels and select PNGs, and you will have all these different options in front of you. So I'm gonna go ahead and download anything because I'm just simply showing you how to basically do that, right? So it doesn't matter what I choose. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this one over here. And once you have selected your own image, you can go ahead and simply click on free download, and over here, and once it's downloaded, go back to Spreadshirt and simply upload your image that you downloaded or that you have created. So wait for a couple of seconds for the image to upload, and once the image has been uploaded and it has been processed, you can simply click on it and you can start designing shirts with this design. So as you can see over here, we have stickers, we have men's premium t-shirts, and many more. So I'm gonna go ahead and unselect the products that I don't like, and if there are products that you don't see or you want to add, simply click on all available products, and over here you will have all the products that are available. And once you've clicked on it, you will have all the products that are available on Spreadshirt to choose from. Simply choose the products that you want and just select them and keep them, and simply click on done. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this hoodie over here. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm also going to select this sweatshirt and this hoodie as well. And then for women's, I'm gonna have a couple of variety as well because we don't have a lot of women's t-shirt. Okay. And once you have selected all the products that you want, just simply click on done, and then you will see all the products that are available over here, and then just go over them one by one and then just unselect all the things that you want. So I don't want this one, want this or this. What I want to do is I want to keep these products, and once you have them, just simply click on next, and over here just simply enter in the design name. So what was the design's name? Okay, so it was a tattoo, Bakineko with Raijin drums. And then over here, just simply paste it. So once you have entered in the name, you can add the description if you want, and you can also add in some tags that will help your product stand out on the market and sell much faster. So once you have done that, just simply click on create. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and publish it onto your shop. So let me just go over to my shop, and this is basically the second step you're going to do. You're going to edit your shop. So over here, as you can see, this is how our shop will look like. Now, these are all the products that are available to us as of right now. Now, these are all the products that are available on our website, and we can just go ahead and quickly sell them. So we can edit our shop, so we can change the page settings, we can change the appearance, prices, and promos, marketing, and advanced and stuff like that. So let me just go over here in general. So in general, we have SEOs and legal information, activate shop and stuff like that. And then we have appearance. So over here, I'm just selecting my logo that I want to keep. I'm just simply gonna apply, and over here, so over here, once you've selected logos, your logo should appear over here. Now granted, the image that I'm selecting is of a different resolution than the one that the website is asking for, so that's why it's not showing up. So for now, let's just keep it like that. Over here, as you can see, so over here, this is how it will look like. This is how our website will look like once we have everything set up. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. We have our name at the top, we have some categories over here, and then down below we have the products and the colors that it's available in. So once you have done that, just simply click on apply changes and simply click on launch shop. But before you do that, just review all of your products and see everything is all right. All the colors that you want are available to offer and stuff like that. And once you've double checked everything and everything looks good, just simply click on launch shop. And over here, all you have to do is enter in your first name, last name, the country, state, your address, zip code, your city / town, and then just check the agreement box and then simply click on done. And once you have done that, boom, your shop is now open and you have 50% off to celebrate your grand opening with this great promo code for your customer. Now you can share this promo code as well. So if you click on visit shop, as you can see, this is how it looks like over here. These are all the products that are available to us, and we can create your own thing as well. That's what we offer as well. So if people want the same product with their own design, they can simply click on this button and they can create their own thing as well. So this is it, guys. That is it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.